Transmission, tri-power Elcamino, 59 model.
100,000
Open at 100,000. Down to 50. Gotta bid. Gotta bid at 60.
Right here, gotta be 70 grand. 80,000 down, 100,000. I'll take 95, sir. I'm get 95 down, 95,000 down, 95. You're talking about one of the best in the country, guys. 90 grand. That's get 95,000. I'm get 95,000 very quick. I get right here. 95,000 down, 90 grand. I'm get 95. I'm get 95,000.
Take a look one more time right here. You got the full wheel covers with the spinners, Firestone, gun tipped, wide wall tires, a tri-power, automatic, 348 V8, red and gray Elcamino, 59.
95, and get 95,000 down, 90 grand, 95,000 down, 95, and easy outside, 95,000 90 grand, 95,000 let's go, and 92, 500 now, 2, 92, 92,000 90 grand. You gotta be 92.5, sir. And we get 92,500. Let's go. 92,500 here. 92 and 5. Let's send that to the deal doctor. What you got right here, Barry?
Here's 73 and 1969
no sale.
Chevy Camaro RS.
75,000
Man, TV.